Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find the best NordVPN server, whether you're connecting from the US, the UK, or anywhere else in the world. We'll cover both the quick option and a manual method for those who want more control. And quick reminder, if you don't have NordVPN yet, check the link in the description. Right now, there's a 73% discount plus 3 bonus months, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. The easiest way is through the NordVPN app. Just open it on your PC, laptop, phone, or even smart TV. From there, choose your desired country, like the US or the UK, and the app will connect you to the best available server in that region. Or, if you want to save time, just hit Quick Connect. Behind the scenes, NordVPN uses a smart algorithm that looks at your location and server load to connect you to the fastest and most reliable option. If you're setting up NordVPN manually, like on a router or with OpenVPN, you can use the Server Picker tool in your Nord account. Log in, scroll down to Advanced Settings, and select Set up NordVPN manually. Under the Server Recommendation tab, it will suggest the best server for you based on your location. If you want even more control, click Advanced Filters. Here, you can choose server type, security protocol, or narrow it down for specific needs like P2P or Double VPN. And if you want to pick a server manually, go back to OpenVPN configuration files. Use the search bar or scroll through the list. Then download either UDP or TCP files. Just remember, for manual setups, you'll need to use your service credentials from the same page. So what's the best server location? That depends on how close the server is to you and how busy it is. The closer and less loaded the server, the faster your speeds. That's why Quick Connect is usually the best choice. The app handles all of this automatically. And that's it. Finding the best NordVPN server is simple. Use Quick Connect if you want the fastest option, or dive into manual setup for more control. Don't forget, you can grab NordVPN today with 73% off plus 3 free months using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.